To download Neuroblock, visit the link in the video description. Once you get there, you should either see a request form or a download button. If the request form is up, please enter your information and the download link will be sent to you shortly. Once the file is downloaded, open the file and follow the installation instructions. Once you have everything installed, you should see this interface. Neuroblock features 3 core panels. Starting here on the right side, you will see what we call the workspace. The workspace is where you're going to provide all of your code. This pane over here is basically referred to as the toolbox, and it has multiple categories. We'll briefly go through each of the categories, but we'll provide details in a later video of how to actually use each of these. The logic category is located at the very top. This category has blocks that you can use anytime you need your program to make a specific decision. For example, you can use an if block if you need to compare different statements. So I'm just going to go over this really quick. So if you wanted to do equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, a conditional statement. This is where you find those types of blocks. Next, we have the loops category. The current version of Neuroblock only contains 1 block in this category. This block is commonly used anytime you need your program to loop multiple times. Next, we have the math category. This category is used anytime you need to perform any type of mathematical operation. Right under the math category is the data category. The data category includes blocks that contain processed brainwave information. In particular, these data blocks are called band power features. We'll share more about these features in a later video. Last but certainly not least, we have the drone category. The drone category contains blocks that allow your program to control the drone. In particular, you can make the drone go up, forward, back, rotate clockwise. So you can use your imagination with this category. And the key here with Neuroblock is, for the first time ever, you're able to use a very simple approach using block-based programming like puzzle pieces to connect processed information from your brain to control commands to a robot, in this case a drone. So using Neuroblock, your imagination, a drone, and a headset capable of measuring brainwave information, you can create your very first brain-computer interface application.